Stop buying the wrong mesh Wi-Fi system. In 2026, you can get blazing fast, whole home coverage without spending a fortune, but most people are still overpaying for features they don't need or buying cheap junk that just doesn't work. I've spent the last month testing every major budget-friendly mesh system, and I'm here to give you the definitive list so you get it right the first time. And I'll tell you right now, my number one pick is a Wi-Fi 6E system that delivers performance I'd expect from a kit twice its price. It completely redefines what a budget mesh system can be. Let's kick things off with our number 5, a system that might surprise you on a budget list, the Netgear Orbi RBK852. Now I know what you're thinking. Orbi? Budget? But hear me out. In 2026, this former king of speed has come way down in price, making it a value powerhouse. Its best feature is its dedicated wireless backhaul. Think of it as a private superhighway between the router and satellites, ensuring your devices get maximum speed, no matter which node they're connected to. This is for people with large, tricky homes. We're talking multiple floors, brick walls, the works. If you need raw, uncompromising performance, and you've found a good deal on this kit, it's still a beast. The honest flaw? Netgear still hides some advanced security and parental controls behind their Armor subscription service, which is a tough pill to swallow. But if you find the Orbi system a bit too complex or, let's be honest, a bit too ugly, then you need to see our number 4, the Eero Pro 6E. Amazon's Eero has always been the champion of simplicity, and this model is no exception. Its best feature is, without a doubt, the setup and app experience. It is ridiculously easy. You plug it in, you follow the app, and 5 minutes later, you have a rock-solid, reliable Wi-Fi 6E network. This is for the person who never, ever wants to think about their Wi-Fi again. It just works. It's stable, it's clean, and it's perfect for anyone who values a hassle-free life. The honest flaw here is that simplicity comes at the cost of control. There are very few advanced settings to tweak, and with only 2 Ethernet ports per node, power users might feel a bit constrained. Moving on from ultimate simplicity to ultimate smarts, we have our number 3 pick, the Google Nest WiFi Pro. Google's play here is all about the ecosystem. Its best feature is its seamless integration with Google Home. If you've got Nest speakers, cameras, or Chromecasts, this system ties it all together beautifully and prioritizes traffic intelligently. Plus, being a Wi-Fi 6E system, it opens up that clean 6 GHz band to compatible devices, cutting through the congestion of your neighbor's network. This is the perfect choice for the dedicated Google and Android user, or anyone who wants their tech to blend into their home decor. The honest flaw? In my raw speed tests, it consistently trailed behind the other top-tier systems. It's fast enough for almost everyone, but it's not the absolute speed demon of the bunch. Now, that's great for the smart home fan, but what if you're a power user? What if you want more control, more features, and more security without paying a monthly fee? That brings us to our number 2, the Asus ZenWiFi AX. Asus packs an incredible amount of value into this system. Its best feature is the software. You get a full suite of commercial-grade security and parental controls, called AI Protection, for free for life. No subscriptions. You also get a powerful web interface for deep customization that no one else on this list can match. This is for the tinkerer, the gamer, the person who wants to set up a VPN, prioritize their gaming PC, and truly own their network. The honest flaw is that the app and setup process, while powerful, aren't quite as slick or simple as Eero or Google. It can be a little intimidating for a complete beginner. And that brings us to the number 1 best budget mesh Wi-Fi system of 2026. The one that offers the best blend of price, performance, and future-proofing. It is the TP-Link Deco XE75. This system is just an unbelievable value. Its best feature is bringing tri-band Wi-Fi 6E to a price point that is simply unbeatable. Having that 6 GHz band not only helps your new devices, but it can also act as a super-fast, interference-free wireless backhaul between the nodes, dramatically boosting the performance for all your connected gadgets. The setup is dead simple, the app is clean, and the performance is fantastic for the money. This is the system for almost everyone. It's for the family that wants to stream 4K, game online, and connect dozens of smart devices without a single hiccup, all without breaking the bank. The honest flaw? In a huge, multi-story home, the much more expensive Orbi system might just edge it out in raw signal strength at the very farthest corners. But for 99% of people, the Deco XE75 is the smartest money you can spend on Wi-Fi today. The prices on these systems change all the time, so for the most up-to-date deals, check the pinned comment and description for the best prices right now.